Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Home Gardening 480. Sonia right now it's getting ready. We have ordered this online and they just got delivered today, actually about a couple hours ago. These are the strawberries, and so Sonia ordered them online about 3 months ago.
It was in December, yeah.
Yeah, about 3 months ago. So we just got them. And so I am going to turn the time over to her. She already has the measuring tape ready to go here. I'll guess she's going to give us the information on spacing and where she got these strawberries from. So I'm going to turn the time over to her and let her take it from here.
Okay. We ordered 25 strawberry plants. That's how they're sold. I ordered these from Gurney's. This variety, can you see there? It's Festival. There's 25 plants in this bag. I opened the bag and I put water in here because they've been in shipping for a week and a half, maybe longer. Here just to hydrate the roots as best I can since they've been in shipping. Basically, we have been saving this bed for the strawberries. Yesterday, I took a couple bags of compost and manure and spread it out on this bed in preparation.
Yeah, just do manure there.
Spread it out here in preparation for the strawberries, and alas, they're here today. I wasn't sure when they were going to show up, but they're here today, and the spacing on the package says 12 to 18 inches. This is a 16-foot row. It is 32 inches wide. And so what I'm going to do is try to stagger them down the bed. We might have some room here. I might go down to the Lowe's or Home Depot and see if they have any strawberries left. But we'll see. We'll see how we do here. But this variety is called Festival. It's developed and bred specifically for the south hotter areas, so we'll see how it goes. I think it's zones 9 through 11, but don't quote me on that. If you look on Gurney's website, you can see what zones it's zoned for. Anyway, so we're just going to get to it. We're going to start measuring it out and space them out.
Anyways, as you can see, Sonia is spacing them every 12 inches. And we are going to do it on both sides of this bed right here. That's where we're going to put them. And if we have enough, we might also put some right in the middle as well. So we are going to go ahead and get ourselves set up so we can start working.
So this is the strawberry plant. You can see this obviously are the roots, and this is what is called the crown, and then this is the plant growing up here. It looks like this one broke off here, but we've got another good set of growth coming up there. This looks like an old piece, yeah. Anyway, so these are the roots. So I think we're gonna have to plant it like that and kind of try to spread the roots out. Fan the roots out a bit so that we can maximize our nutrient uptake. Okay.
Now, going down here.
So there is a method where you make like a cone and then you spread the roots out on
top of that cone.
On top of the cone. I'm not sure it's going to work quite so well with this piece. Maybe other pieces, but point in case, you want to put the roots in and then have the crown up, the crown of the strawberry plant, and then you kind of want to spread them around and then fill in back. So I just like to keep my fingers here just to kind of keep it from getting buried too much. Okay? Just like that. That's how it's going to be. That's the crown of the strawberry plant. That's where all the rest of the foliage will grow out from. I can say that this was probably the runner from the mother plant, and then this was the new shoot off that they cut, and so that's why the roots are kind of like this. I don't know. I'm not a strawberry farmer, but that's my guess. Kind of a little cone formation, sort of.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe I'm just making it up. Maybe I saw it somewhere. I'm pretty sure I read it somewhere. But maybe it's an outdated technique. Maybe that.
Let us know in your comments.
I don't know. It might be, but key is get the roots in the ground where they go. Spread them out. Cover it back up. Keep that crown at that approximate right height, because otherwise the plant will die. There you go.
Okay. So I'm going to set up the tripod. I'm going to set myself ready and start working. Okay, so we have planted all of this up to here, and we have 16 more spots to fill. So we're gonna go to the store. We're gonna go to Lowe's and see if they have them, because we saw them the other day that we were there, and we'll come back and then finish this up. All right, so we went back to Lowe's and we grabbed some more of the strawberries, and we stopped right there. And the rest of this bed, what Sonia has in mind to do is to dig out the dirt and then plant two strawberry trees in here. Blueberries, sorry. And so we have to, again, as I said, we have to dig out the dirt, and then we have to put them in pot.
So the reason they have to be in a separate container is because we live in Arizona and we have an alkaline soil, and blueberries require an acidic soil. So you either have to do them in a pot or some kind of divided soil situation. So that's what we're thinking of doing, is we're going to put them down the pot, the container, whatever it is, down into the ground so they don't get too hot, the soil. Or we could get a extra big container. The thing is, the blueberries require acidic soil for good production.
Okay.
I was gonna put them here, but we filled it up with lettuce. So maybe we'll move them in the future, but for now, this is the open spot that we have. We'll put them here. They are gonna be in containers in the ground, but if we want to move them later, we can. Like, after this is done and we finish this up, we can move them up here, and it's not really going to disturb them because they're going to be in containers already.
Okay.
We're thinking we're going to get some black nursery containers, kind of the plastic ones. That way we can change them out if we need to.
Okay. All right, so that's what we have for you guys today. Thank you for joining us on another video, and we'll see you guys on our next video.